urgent weather message. The National Weather Service, Cleveland, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Lorraine County until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line of from 16 miles north of Avon Lake to 8 miles southeast of Ellis Island, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, weather indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage and likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorraine, Elyria, Medina, Western Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Riceville, Solon, Avon Lake, Hudson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Lorraine, Medina, and Summit.